The Lost Kite and the Lesson of Kindness. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green fields and tall trees, lived two best friends, Ali and Bilal. Both were 10 years old and loved to fly kites. Every evening after school, they would rush to the fields with their colorful kites and compete to see whose kite could soar the highest. Ali was known for his cheerful smile and helpful nature. He would often share his lunch, help the elderly, and never missed a chance to be kind. Bilal, on the other hand, was more focused on winning. He loved competitions and always wanted to come first, even if it meant pushing others behind. One fine Sunday morning, a grand kite-flying competition was announced in the village. The winner would get a brand new bicycle. Both boys were excited and began preparing their kites. Bilal worked day and night to make the biggest and fastest kite. Ali too made a kite, but he also helped others in the village, especially younger kids who didn't know how to fly kites. Finally, the big day arrived. The sky was dotted with dozens of kites dancing in the wind. Ali and Bilal both joined the crowd. As the competition started, Bilal's kite quickly rose high, outpacing many others. Ali's kite flew steadily, not as fast, but gracefully. Suddenly, a loud cry came from the edge of the field. It was Hamza, a small boy whose kite had gotten stuck in a tall tree. He was crying because it was his first time flying a kite and he had worked so hard on it. Many children heard him, but no one stopped. They were all busy trying to win the competition. Ali saw the little boy crying and immediately turned to help. He quickly tied his kite string to a stick and handed it to another boy to hold. Then, without worrying about the competition, he ran to Hamza and helped him get his kite down using a long bamboo stick. Hamza's face lit up with joy. By the time Ali returned to the field, his kite had fallen. He knew that he had lost the chance to win. Bilal, on the other hand, had won the competition and proudly received the bicycle. But when he saw Ali helping Hamza, something changed in his heart. Later that evening, Bilal rode his new bicycle to Ali's house. He looked at Ali and said, "You may not have won the bicycle, but you won something even greater, respect and love. I want to share this bicycle with you because your kindness taught me a lesson today." Ali smiled and thanked Bilal. From that day forward, Bilal also began helping others, just like Ali. They remained best friends, not just in games, but in kindness too. Moral: kindness is greater than winning. Helping others brings happiness that no prize can ever match.